What if a single experiment could ripple across generations, rewriting the future of life itself? In biotechnology, that possibility is real. At Chandigarh University, BSc Biotechnology honors with research turns curiosity into breakthroughs, experiments into discoveries, and ideas into impact. With a cutting-edge curriculum developed by top academicians and industry experts, you can develop expertise across diverse domains of life sciences. State-of-the-art labs form the foundation where experimentation, analysis, and inquiry shape real scientific outcomes. Get opportunities to engage in progressive research projects across the domains of environmental biotechnology, genetic engineering, genomics, immunology, and computational biology. Guided by faculty mentorship, students publish in global journals and develop innovation into intellectual property. Strong industry collaborations give students real-world exposure as they work with industry leaders. Extensive partnerships with international universities give students global exposure through exchange programs and collaborative research opportunities. Graduates step into the profession prepared for real roles, recruited by leading legal and corporate organizations. By the end of the program, students graduate as industry-ready professionals, highly sought after by leading organizations. At Chandigarh University, BSc Biotechnology honors with research prepares you to shape what's next.